All right, are we recording? Right, here we go. So what you've got to do is, first of all, your screen might look like this. All right. And it really doesn't matter how it looks, but what you need to know is you've got these three what we call burger buns. It says, when you hover over, it says open sidebar. Okay. When you click on that, you have this plus sign. And when you hover over that, it says create new. And we're going to, but not yet. So I'm just going to shut that down and go back to how it looks. So I am going to take Sharon's work and make a copy on a new board. So what you do is you select the whole work. So you use your mouse, you select everything. Now you've got two choices. Now I use shortcuts. So I would press the control button and the C. Or you can press these three little dots and click on copy. You can copy as image or copy the whole thing. I really don't mind which one, but we'll click on copy. All right. So now that I've copied all of my work, he says in inverted commas because it's not really mine, it's Sharon's. So then I'm going to click on these three again. Click on the positive plus sign, which means create new. There's me mass talking, and we'll create a new board. All right. So it's created a new board. It says untitled. So I'm pretend I'm Sharon. Say Sharon's physics work. Okay. And then I'm just going to. You don't have to close this, but I'm just moving that out of my way. So there's a new board that you will have created. Now you've got two choices. Now the easiest way is right click on your mouse and it says paste. All right. And there you go. You've got a copy of your work on your board. Now what we're going to do is my Miro board isn't working because there's too much information on it. So your job is to create your copy of your work. Let me get my teeth in. And I'm going to give you a few minutes to do that.